March 2020, the market crashes 34% in 33 days. Panic everywhere. Investors are selling everything. But here's the crazy part. If you bought stocks that day, you'd have doubled your money by now. The difference between people who build wealth in the stock market and people who lose everything, it's not intelligence, it's not luck, it's how you think about stocks. And in 2025, most beginners are thinking about it completely wrong. Here's what nobody tells you. The stock market has never lost money over any 20-year period. Never. Not through world wars, not through the Great Depression, not through 2008, not through COVID. But here's the problem. You can lose 50% of your money in a single year if you do it wrong. So what's the difference? 3 things. And if you get these 3 things right, you'll be ahead of 90% of investors. If you get them wrong, you'll be part of the statistic of people who quit after their first loss. Let's go. First thing, stop thinking in days, start thinking in decades. The stock market is risky if you need your money tomorrow. It's one of the safest investments on earth if you don't need it for 10 years. Listen to this. Invest for 1 day, you have a 53% chance of making money. Coin flip. 1 year, 74%. 5 years, 88%. 10 years, 94%. 20 years, 100%. This changes everything. The reason beginners lose isn't because they pick bad stocks, it's because they sell at the worst possible time. They buy high when everyone's excited, then panic and sell low when things get scary. You know what the best investors do? Nothing. They buy and hold. They ignore the noise. They let time do the work. If you're young, you have the most valuable asset in investing: time. A 25-year-old investing $500 a month until retirement, that's over $3 million at normal market returns. Not from genius stock picks, just from showing up consistently and not panicking. Second truth bomb. You probably can't pick winning stocks, and before you get defensive, neither can the professionals. Here's the dirty secret of Wall Street. 90% of professional fund managers, people who do this 80 hours a week with teams of analysts, can't beat a simple S&P 500 index fund. Think about that. The pros are losing to a basic index fund that just owns the 500 biggest companies in America. So why do beginners think they're going to pick the next Tesla by watching a few YouTube videos? Here's what actually works. Buy the entire market. An S&P 500 index fund gives you Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Google, all in one purchase. When you buy the index, you're betting on America, on innovation, on capitalism. Historically, that bet returns about 10% a year. Is that sexy? No. Will it make you a millionaire overnight? Absolutely not.